Well, here it is all cleaned up. Still got a mess on the floor, and my side trailer over there, I still need to get it picked up. This will be the first time I've looked at this. Sears and Roebuck, model number 700-651, and I can't really make out the serial number. So this is an old Sears and Roebuck hay wagon, cotton trailer, whatever they used them for. This is pretty much, they would sell the running gear and then you make it into whatever you want. You helping me? My back hurts.
What? Look, it's 6 in there.
Hold up.
Can I pop a lot of metal with this?
Pick it all up. Alright, so I've got the running gear inside the shop here. Went to the metal place and picked up some 8-inch C-channel. So I'm going to end up flipping that up and bolting it into these risers here, and I think I'm going to be able to get a bolt in here also. I'm not going to weld it on. I want to be able to at least remove this frame structure that I'm going to set up above it, should it ever get bent or something doubtful. But so this is 8-inch. I think it's 11.5 pounds per foot, so it's pretty thick stuff. And I got 2 of those. And then for my I don't know what these beams are called, runners or whatever. I got some 3-inch C-channel, similar thickness to these here. And then I picked up some 2x8 16-foot treated lumber for the deck. And then on the edges, I've got some angle iron. That stuff there is angle iron. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld on the stake posts, the little kind of like little stake post things. I don't know. That's where the stakes, if you were to have sides. But I don't really want to build sides for this. This is going to be like a hay wagon / round bale hauling wagon. But I do want to be able to use those stake posts for strapping down the hay. So I kind of got a plan for that. But the only thing I like now is these long beams were 20 foot, and I got to cut them down to 16 feet. So I've got my marks made there and there, and then so this is going to be a 16-foot trailer as it was originally. And once I get the beams cut, I got to go get some bolts. I didn't get those the other day. Get some bolts to bolt the beams, and I'm probably going to need a couple drills because this is some really thick stuff. So I'll get the bolts, a couple of spare drill bits. Then I gotta get some screws. I'm gonna get some 2-inch screws, self-tapping, but I'm also gonna need a drill to drill into the C-channel that I have down there on the floor, because that's too thick for self-tapping. So still some stuff to do. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt the main beams on. Then I'm gonna weld on the 8-foot runners going that way. Then I'm gonna drag this whole shebang outside and paint it. So I need to get some red paint. So 3 things still need to get, but we're getting close to getting started on restoring this old girl.